Now, what did we see from the two stories? In the first one, we saw that generally in the urban areas, the credit is taken for the working capital, for the arrangement of the working capital. But in the rural areas, mainly the loan is taken or credit is taken for the purpose of buying seeds, fertilizer, insecticides, pesticides, for water supply and for various other agricultural equipments. Now, generally the farmers take the credit in the beginning and they repay it after the harvest from the income that they earn. In Sapna's case, due to the failure of the crop, what happened? She couldn't pay her loan, and that is why she had to sell a part of her land. So in the urban area, we saw that the person could provide the order, and from his profit he could repay the loan or the credit. But in this case, due to crop failure, she could not repay the loan, and the credit situation worsened her situation very much, and she fell into a debt trap. Now, what is this debt trap? It is a situation. It is a situation where the credit pushes you into such a situation from where you cannot come out, and you go deep and deep into more deep and deep into the situation. So in one situation, credit helps to increase the earnings in the urban areas, and in the other situation, the credit is worsening the situation in the rural areas by pushing up the loan amount and by worsening the situation of the person. So it is very clear that whether a credit is useful or not depends upon the risk in the situation and whether there is any support in case of loss. So a credit is useful or not depends upon the risk in the situation and whether there is some support or not in case of loss. Okay. So now next day we will move on to the terms of credit. Thank you.